with our platform, we're able to give our agents a sort of a functional role within an organization, whether it be customer facing or internal. We can curate and provide the knowledge to these agents, and we can give them real world abilities in software systems. In this particular demo, this guy, Quotey, is here to help me as a business user in creating quotes for my customers using Xero, which is a really popular accounting platform here in Australia and in New Zealand and maybe across the world, I'm not sure. But similar to MYOB and Quicken and tools like that. So you can see here, I just started off with a quick question. I didn't need to do this, but I just wanted to show you that, hey, I can ask a question and this agent knows my stuff. It knows, in this particular case, sort of the quotable inventory items for like a fictitious building company, right? So I can ask and work with this agent to achieve what I need to do without me having to do any of the heavy lifting myself. And I think that's really where the value of AI is certainly emerging in the short term. So new quote. I need a quote for John. gmail.com. He needs a shelf for media room, 1.2 meters of oak wood, 1 litre of paint. Let's go with 2 basic L brackets and 2 hours of services. So the idea is that we can just give we can just talk to these AIs like they are human workers, and we can get them to do all the work for us and achieve our desired outcomes. So you can see here, I've asked for this quote. It's drafted it. It's asking me to confirm all the details and whatnot. It's actually asking, I don't know if it's asking anything else, but also you'll notice it's sort of saying that the quote summary is going to be this. Now I didn't give that to it now, but it knows what I want the quote summaries to be and what I want titles to be and things. So again, if you give these agents the appropriate knowledge, they intuitively know what they need to do with it, which is just, one of the things that makes this stuff so incredible. That looks great. Go ahead. So it's now going to go and create the quote. So we have integrations with a bunch of different software as a service platforms. So think like Zapier, and we're adding more and more as as those different use cases come up for our customers and through our partner network. So in this case, agent's gone ahead and you can see that it's created the Xero quote, and it's shown me a link to that. So let's open up that quote and see if it looks good. So I told it John and an email address. It's obviously found John Verblatenstein based on that email. So it's got the right customer. It's got a good title. It's got a good summary. And here's all our quote information. It's exactly correct. So that's awesome. But then now I don't need to email that as the customer. I can just get Quotey to do that. So can you please email this to him with thanks from Team Occamise. Also, can you send him an SMS on this number letting him know the quote is in his inbox? So I've changed multiple requests here intentionally just to sort of show you how clever our agents are. It can now see what it needs to do, can formulate the content for the email. It can write the email, attach the PDF, and then also send the SMS as well. And just to show you that it's not all smoke and mirrors, if I hold that up there backwards, if you sort of imagine it, you can see I've got the SMS and I have the email with the quote attached. And then I can say, awesome. Let my team know on Slack that I have done the quote. And off it'll go, doing that now as well. And so what I want to do on this channel is I want to show you how I built this using Occamise and you will see that, you know, if you were to build this using a combination of other no-code tools like Zapier and all the rest of it, it's, you know, it's a fair undertaking, I would say. Hopefully you guys just saw that notification pop up. But using our tool, it's super simple. It's really easy, and I'm going to show you exactly how I built this.